Hey intech, I got your flyer Pursue here, and we got the overland awning all set up, and this thing is awesome, right? And the awning is cool, but this bar, okay, this awning seems to be all about tension. So I got to give this thing tension. I got my ratchet strap there, and you can see it's loose as I press, and as I press, it kind of brings up the awning. Okay, so I need to give some more tension there, and that makes sense. But then I can bring it over to the other side, and this side also wants more tension. And, it's strapped over there, and if I push here, I need to give that more tension. And that will accept more tension, but the problem is that the rack's in the way. Okay, like this bar is hitting this rack, and at one point I had it accidentally go under, and it slid. That was when I realized that that thing could go with more tension. Now that bar sits on top of that bar, and I kind of like that. I'm going to put some padding there. This one is a problem, okay? So it's basically this, I don't know if you want to call this a design flaw or an installation failure, because this awning needs to be up here so that this bar can swing around and not hit this thing. So, and then if you move that awning up that way, this guy shouldn't have any problem. This bar should not have any problems hitting there. So, tell me, intech, why did you install the overland awning with this, hitting? Like, that seems wrong, and it should be moved. Am I correct that it should be moved? And, tell me.